If you are scaffolding your TanStack Router application using this command provided by TanStack Router, or if you are using the create-vite-at-latest command and then selecting TanStack Router for your application, and you are using the latest version of Node.js like I am here as of August 9th of 2025, you are going to see a deprecated TanStack Router package for Vite and several red squiggly lines indicating type errors in VS Code. Now I want to be clear. This deprecated package and these red squiggly type errors, they are not runtime functionality errors. They are not logical bugs, but they are real TypeScript errors. This application will run in the browser as it is. And if you were to push this up to your CI/CD pipeline, your builds might fail if it is checking for type correctness in the code. If we were to hover over the red squiggly line, you can see that we are missing a node type npm package. So clearly the CLI command is a little bit behind in terms of installing packages. First, I would install the node types as a dependency that are missing, as indicated by the red squiggles. And then in the tsconfig.json file, at the types line in this array, I'm going to add the types for vtest so that vtest types would be correctly recognized. According to the TanStack Router documentation, the import vite react has been deprecated. It's replaced by just React from the Vue.js plugin React. The TanStack Router Vite has been replaced by TanStack Router. And then of course we have to apply these packages down in the plugins array. The TanStack Router package must go before the React package. What I also like to do is remove the old node modules as well as the log file. I am using pnpm, as you can see there, and then reinstall. The red squigglies are gone, as you can see there. So until the TanStack team updates the TanStack Router CLI packages, or until TanStack Start comes out of beta and into production, we'll have to update the TanStack Router packages ourselves and then fix those TypeScript types error. I've aliased my pnpm command to just pn for less keystrokes, and then we can just run pndev to run the application. There's also a test script set up straight out of the box, and vtest is included straight out of the box, but you do have to create your test file. As you can see here, there's no test file out of the box. And here's our starter application in the browser with the TanStack Router DevTools. I don't know if you guys are aware, but if you look carefully inside of this React logo, there is a TanStack logo inside of this React logo. So once again, just to be clear, the starter project, the starter app itself is not broken per se, but there were some TypeScript errors in there, TypeScript types error in there. And that could have some consequences if you were to push up to your CI/CD pipeline. So fixing those errors will put us in a very good place when we go to start our React with TanStack Router project or React with, or I'm sorry, our TanStack Router with solid.js project. Okay, my dear friends, I hope this was beneficial for you. If it was, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if it was helpful for you. It'll help me out in the future. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.